Real estate agents deal with a staggering amount of scattered information. You have listing links, property photos, handwritten notes, email drafts, and compliance rules spread across multiple unlinked environments. Manually typing and retyping those exact same property details into different marketing apps and AI prompts burns hours of your week. It also increases the risk of making an error that could violate local brokerage rules to launch a single listing. To solve this, AgentClip built a centralized control room. The goal is to bring the entire listing workflow into one place and stop the constant app switching fatigue. This dashboard shows exactly how that control room is structured. You can immediately see your active listings, folder organization, and daily AI usage caps all in one consolidated view. Modern real estate marketing requires managing a single, unified pipeline rather than juggling dozens of disjointed tools. This screen shows how individual listings are organized into distinct folders and property cards. Let's look at one specific card, 107 East Mill Road. This card acts as a central hub, holding the source link, media library, and cover photos. The process starts by inputting high-quality, human-written notes into that hub. Including specific property facts, target audience details, and key selling points dictates the quality of all the AI generation that follows. From there, you generate the first wave of automated output using single-click buttons. The system instantly extracts core daily assets, like a polished MLS rewrite, a direct buyer outreach email, and short-form flyer copy. It also builds a comprehensive social media pack. You get content tailored specifically for the character limits and structural constraints of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn simultaneously. Standardizing the input data at this hub ensures immediate multi-channel consistency across all your initial assets, eliminating redundant data entry completely. The workflow scales well beyond those daily short-form tasks. It moves directly into complex, long-form conversational content and SEO strategies. This menu reveals the deeper tools. The system dissects the single listing to find buyer search intent, identify keyword gaps, and output long-form content like full WordPress-ready blog posts. It also provides conversational generation tools to help you communicate directly with clients, including Zillow listing rewrites, full open house promotion packs, and scripts designed to handle seller objections. But rapid AI generation introduces a critical systemic problem for the modern real estate industry: strict legal compliance. This shows the Fair Housing Scanner acting as an automated filter. It reviews generated copy for risky language and suggests neutral rewrites. But human verification remains an absolute necessity. You must verify property facts, broker rules, and permissions before finalizing any public export. Raw generation speed becomes a liability if you don't have risk mitigation and compliance checks built directly into the workflow. Once the text data is generated and reviewed, it transitions seamlessly into finished, formatted visual assets ready for public distribution. This final printed marketing flyer successfully integrates verified property facts, tailored descriptive copy, and a fully functional QR code label. Notice how the generated text elements and high-resolution media precisely populate the layout, from the large aerial pool photo down to the bullet points. The platform also maintains high export flexibility. The verified data can be pushed directly to WordPress, downloaded as JSON, or moved into external research tools like NotebookLM. The entire workflow loop closes smoothly. What began as scattered property notes consolidates into a unified hub and finally packages itself into a fully compliant multi-channel campaign. Because the system handles tedious drafting and repetitive app switching, agents can focus on what actually drives their business: client relationships and high-level strategy. By establishing one centralized point of truth, a single real estate listing effortlessly multiplies into a complete, risk-checked marketing package.